Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming where Final Cut Pro stores libraries and media. This matters because deleting in the wrong spot wastes time. Once you've backed up critical libraries, remove render files and generated media first. They're often the largest culprits. Make sure to use the library inspector to see managed versus external media. Delete only managed cache you no longer need. As you proceed, pause and verify backups. That prevents accidental data loss while reclaiming substantial disk space. Now, relocate large libraries to an external SSD or RAID to free your system drive. This keeps performance high. Once done, generate proxy media at 1/4 resolution or using ProRes proxy so you can edit with far less storage demand. Make sure to consolidate referenced media into one external folder to avoid orphaned files scattered across drives. When you switch between proxy and original media, Final Cut will relink. This lets you work light and deliver full-quality exports later without losing edits. Finish by running file delete generated library files to remove remaining render and cache safely. This reduces library size immediately. Archive completed projects by copying the library and creating a checksum, then move the archive to offline storage or cold cloud. After that, empty Final Cut Pro's trash and Mac OS trash to actually reclaim disk space. If something goes wrong, restore from your backup library copy. This single troubleshooting step prevents losses and lets you
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.